To make that transition, it has to be done right. Yeah. All right. We're about to get it done. We're doing blocking now. We got most of the framing rafters framed in, roughed in, tweaked and tightened up. We got the blocking, all that somewhat taken care of. We're knocking out a couple more blocks. Yeah, run the track. We're back to it, and we're doing blocking here. Right here, we're putting blocking in this section right here. Like I said in some of the videos before, blocking helps. Like when you deck the roof on and then you put a ceiling on, it will trap the oxygen in between the areas that has the block, and then the fire, it will contain the fire as well. That's why you have these things done for a specific reason. So between this area and here, once the roof is there and you put the ceiling, all that oxygen will get consumed and it will slow it down if there's an electrical fire, internal fire within the ceilings and walls. Just finished cutting up the fire blocking. To figure out how to raise this one just a smidge, and then raise this one just a smidge, and then start putting in the blocking. Then work on you and get all the stress out, and perfect environment to do your thing. You get down, you can chillax, relax, hydrate, and review your students. Soak up that tropical sun. Now there are foreigners and tourists that comes to Belize, and they love hanging out with the locals, but they're also concerned for the locals as well when it comes to advancement, opportunity, and the possibility of building an empire for themselves and their family instead of getting weeded out. They do ask questions about that and what can be done to help secure a future for them. Gas and go. This is the famous Barry Bowen / Boca del Rio bridge. Good morning to you too, lovely lady. There's two guys on a bicycle there, carpooling. I just saw a kingfisher. Flew right through there. This whole little strip. Wow, they got a lovely herbal bed right here. They should put some more herbs in there. Okay, we're working over here now. We're gonna modify this because it didn't include a roof over the porch, and decided to add it due to the fact that staff has to bring food upstairs from down there, and if it's kind of wet day, at least you have a little bit of roof, some covering to help shield them and keep them dry. Someone who followed and watched also made a suggestion that we should try to put in a little lift, assuming that maybe if they decide to, a little lift right here, so they can just bring the food up from down there, raise it up, little lift or elevator like thing. Getting closer. Doing some blocking in now. I gotta physically get up there and do that one. So this side is about to get completely finished. We have one or two more blocking to cut in. We got our joints here strapped in. So they have some little temporary jacks to help support. He's waiting patiently on us to come over there and help him out. For like, shares, comments. Remember to subscribe, give us a like. Check out the about section. There's quite a bit there for you guys to partake in. Thanks for all those who keep on watching and supporting the channel. Greatly appreciated. Keep you guys posted. Hopefully there's a couple little activities coming up this weekend. If I can go in and support those. Stick on the same routine. now. Going to and fro. 6 beach to downtown area. Thanks for keep on tuning in and making us possible. Making progress. Those are the last two pieces there. This one right there for the block. Gotta deal with that next. And they're not perfectly square, so I gotta put a miter cut on the ends. That's a great man, a great young man right here. Running the block. Put another little strap here. Double check and make sure all the bottom here got some screws. From earlier that these two were missing a couple of screws, so we got those in and put it. Popping up now. I'm jumping on that, working on this little space right there right now. So you're coming. Yeah. Free vibes start. See what I'm feeling for the sound of bang. Mix up the thoughts, I'm looking for them. Them keep me working nothing just to get in the grind. I'm never gonna switch, but I change the plan. Just a minute once I'm right if you give me a wrong. We got them blocked up now. From here on out, haven't been screwed in yet. We work for like, shares, comments. Hype us up, subscribe. Check out the about section. I normally work with where you have your supplies set in one spot, screws, tools, so you don't have to be hunting for stuff. Try to have some sort of organization happening. This is what you tell all the time. Stack here. These are for framing up the bar section. Hydrate.